here, and today's topic is bedroom design. A room in a house in which the head of the household sleeps, typically larger and better furnished than other bedrooms. What is the average size of a master bedroom in the average sized home? On average, the master bedroom measures 209 square feet. Clear, ask clear, constructive questions. Ask questions about color they like or dislike, what their careers are, what their other passions are, what makes them feel inspired, whether anything that is a color, a painting, a piece of furniture they saw somewhere, etc., has given them ideas. Elements of other rooms they like or dislike. If they are not sure what they do want, is there anything they absolutely don't want? What did they like and dislike about the design in their previous space? After the meeting, ideally you should have all the information you need to move forward by the end of consultation meeting. You should have an idea of what the clients are like, what they need, what they want, what they don't like, want or need. Analyze the information you have and consider the budget. Think about your experience with the client in the meeting. Ask yourself, is the project feasible within their budget? Is the project within the scope of your skill and services? Do the clients seem ready to move forward following your need meeting? Did you feel like you could communicate easily and effectively with them? Did they take your advice into consideration? Did they provide you with the information you needed and cooperate with your consultation process? Answering your question to the best of your ability. Can you see any potential problem or roadblocks to working with these clients? Do you feel like you and your client meshed well enough to complete project together? If you decide to work with them, let them know that you would like to take on their project. If they would also like to move forward, set up another meeting time to discuss and terms of your contract and sign it. Here are some ideas for how to decorate a master bedroom that you will want to spend time in. Add plant life. A bedroom should be a retreat, a place for rest, rejuvenation. Few things embody rejuvenation like a healthy plant. It adds color, pattern, texture, and an organic flow of positive things in and around your bedroom. Consider the rule of threes. While there are expectations to this rule, as there are for all rules for decorating. It is a good rule of thumb when you are trying to decorate bedroom. Group pieces into threes or at least into odd numbers unit. There is an inherent sense of balance and satisfaction that comes when that third component joins the other two. How an easily accessible night light. Have an easily accessible night light. This can be almost anything, like from a ceiling hung pendant to a wall snows to a simple tabletop lamp. But a night light makes a bedroom truly relaxing. Leave it on your Leave it on for someone else. Use it for your own reading or work, or simply use it to add stylistic height to your nightstand area. Get creative with your headboard. There are many lovely traditional headboards, but there are many equally lovely untraditional headboards. Have a piece of fabric, a blanket, or a woven that is significant and meaningful to you. Use it as a headboard. Low profile curtain rod to mount it behind your bed for a totally customized headboard. Let your ceiling stand out. Of course, retrofitting a tray ceiling into your existing bedroom may be completely expensive and a pain, if not downright impossible. But if you are looking to design your bedroom in a new construction, consider incorporating a tray ceiling for elegance and dimension. Paint it a shade slightly deeper or a tint slightly lighter than the rest of your walls and ceilings. Place a flat surface at the foot of your bed. In this soothing bedroom of soft neutral and burgundy ottoman bench at the foot of the bed services as a grounding surface visually as well as completely useful place to sit or throw clothes temporarily, of course. Involve a mirror. Mirrors are great for bouncing light around in a room, helping it to feel brighter and more spacious. They also serve a very useful purpose in the bedroom. They provide a place for one final check before leaving the room to face the world. Embrace symmetry. When possible, symmetry is very restful and relaxing aesthetic because of its structure and order. Predictability far from boring. However, symmetry infuses a sense of proper balance and elegance into the bedroom. Use plenty of pillows. You probably don't want to have to move a million pillows to the side every night before bed, but a healthy stack of soft and squeezed pillow helps a bedroom feel inviting and touchable. Center artwork over the headboard. In some cases, you can even avoid a headboard altogether and simply use artwork as the visual headboard of your master slave bed. But to create a greater headboard presence, should you desire it, consider finding some large artwork that fills the horizontal headboard distance center and mount it. Incorporate a lounge area. Of course, not all master bedrooms are spacious enough to create an actual sitting area, but if yours has a space, use it. A comfortable chair or two and a table will be an inviting space to sit and relax and talk or read after a long day. Use interesting lighting. With the variety of table lamp on the market today, finding the perfect one for your master bedroom has never seemed easier or more challenging. If your bedroom is more or the serene, neutral, monochromatic side of design, consider choosing a table lamp and has an interesting lampshade or a slightly deeper tint or hue to mix things up. Balance white wall with color. Of course, a lovely paint color will go a long way in creating the special ambience of a beautiful bedroom. If you can even take the wall decor a step further and add custom trim or design work into a wall itself, this takes even a small bedroom into its own memorable design sphere. Hang window treatment to the floor. The look The look is chic and put together, not to mention luxurious. When it makes sense, have your drapes hang from ceiling to floor to make the room feel taller, subsequently more spacious. Use neutral colors. A soft neutral color scheme tends to create a soft neutral aura, which is a restful environment for anyone entering a bedroom. It is recommended that you incorporate few pieces with darker tone to ground the space, however, and keep it from floating away altogether. Hang artwork off center. Not art Not all artwork should be centered. If you are trying to create a framing effect, for example, such as you might be doing around the bed, it is a good idea to hang artwork on the outer edge of the frame you are trying to create. Be sure to align the outer edge to any piece of such a frame. In this case, the outer nightstand edge line up beautifully and restfully with the outside edge of the frame. Frame a 3D object. One clever way to decorate a bedroom is to find a frame that you love in the style and scope that makes sense for the bedroom itself, and then remove everything except the frame itself. Then find a beloved 3D object, in this case bowl, plate, mount it on the wall and frame it. So these are some ideas to decorate your master bedroom. Thank you.